Hello literature lovers, welcome to our channel Lit Club. Today's video is another part of mock test series Bihar State English 2025. So let's start. Our very first question is the term campus novel is associated with. Options are Graham Greene, William Golding, Margaret Drabble or Kingsley Amis. And the correct answer is Kingsley Amis. Question number 2. To stir up a hornet's nest means to do a disservice to others, to exit the hostility of others, to be totally at a loss, or to be bitten by bugs. And the correct answer is to exit the hostility of others. Question number 3. From his attitude, it is clear that he wants to pay off old scores. To pay off all scores in the sentence means to have his revenge, to pay the money, to score marks, or settle new matters. And the correct answer is to have his revenge. Question number 4. Which of the following shows an example of an idiomatic expression? Options are his investments failed and he lost the family nest egg. Or option B, he didn't invest wisely and lost a lot of money. Option C, he shouldn't have invested so much in that risky project. Or he shouldn't have invested so little in that risky project. And the correct answer is option number A, that his investments failed and he lost the family nest egg. Question number 5. A teacher of class 6 engages her students in pre-reading activity. This will help the teacher in summarizing the text, or teacher to connect the text with the previous knowledge of the learner, or learners to memorize and reproduce the text, or learners to memorize the meaning of difficult words they come across in the text. And the correct answer is teacher to connect the text with the previous knowledge of the learner. Question number 6. What is the goal of teaching pronunciation? Options are to make a student sound exactly like native speakers, or to make a students repeat word many a times in a day, or to help students have intelligible pronunciation, or teachers should make them pronounce like native speakers. And the correct answer is C, to help students have intelligible pronunciation. Question number 7. Which of the following statements not featured National Education Policy 2020? Options are all children in school should be taught in the medium of instruction of the school. Option B, learning how to read and write must begin in children's home languages. Option C, young children learn the best if exposed to multiple languages at their tender age. Or children should be taught in their mother tongue, as learning a new language could be a challenge for them. And the correct answer is option number A. All children in school should be taught in the medium of instruction of this school is not a feature of National Education Policy 2020. Question number 8. Multilingualism can be promoted by citing examples of different languages, giving all languages equal importance, promoting cooperative learning in the classroom, or prohibiting code switching in the classroom. And the correct answer is option number A, that is first, second and third statements are true. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not a typical step in speaking lesson for advanced learners? Options are doing a role play, writing the script for role play, learning how to spell words in a language, or learning how to take turns in a dialogue. And the correct answer is option number C, that is learning how to spell words in the language. Question number 10. In the primary classes, it is recommended that instruction should be given in the mother tongue of the children because it enables children to comprehend, it creates a natural environment, it helps the teacher in establishing her authority in class, or it promotes regional languages. And the correct answer is it enables children to comprehend. Question number 11. A teacher believes that language is a social construct. Her idea relates to which of the following theorists? Options are Jean Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, Jerome Bruner, or Noam Chomsky. And the correct answer is Lev Vygotsky. Question number 12. Which of the following is the correct synonym of fragile? Options are elastic, flexible, brittle, or supple. And the correct answer is brittle. Question number 13. Animosity means a strong feeling of hatred, divergent opinion, indifference, or apathy. Correct answer is option number A, that is strong feeling of hatred. Question number 14. Odyssey means a soft fabric, an island group, a dwarf, or a long journey. And the correct answer is a long journey. Question number 15. Complete the sentence. Aesthetic means. Options are sorrow, despair, beauty, or pleasure. And the correct answer is beauty. Question number 16. A teetotaler is one who totally abstains from wine, one who does not take any intoxicating drinks, one who is very fond of sensuous enjoyment, or one who has irresistible desire for alcohol. And the correct answer is option number B, one who does not take any intoxicating drinks. Question number 17. Identify the antonym of the word transparent. Options are crystalline, pellucid, translucent, or opaque. And the correct answer is opaque. Question number 18. The opposite of supercilious is snobbish, meek and humble, arrogant, or superficial. And the correct answer is meek and humble. Question number 19. They give more importance to material rather than dash advancement. Options are intellectual, spiritual, emotional, or worldly. And the correct answer is spiritual. They give more importance to material rather than spiritual advancement. Question number 20. Frugal means little, uplifting, petty, or lavish. And the correct answer is lavish. Question number 21. What is the antonym of consent? Options are dissent, dissent, decent, or assent. And the correct answer is option number B, that is dissent. Question number 22. Extravagant means developing, wonderful, disappearing, or economical. And the correct opposite for this word is economical. Question number 23. Here list 1 and list 2 are given and we have to select the correct answer using the code given below the list. Okay, for this the correct answer is option number C. A simile stands for this. The soul was like a star and dwelt apart. B3 means metaphor is this. The ship is the camel of desert. Personification for this, death lay icy hands on kings. And epigram for this, what oft was thought but ne'er so well expressed. Question number 24. Which of the following is not an example of onomatopoeia? Options are hail is rattling upon the roof. Option B, the kingfisher flew fast like a piece of the blue sky. Option C, the bacon sizzled in the pan. Option D, the creak of the branches in the icy wind made shiver. And the odd one out option is option number B, that is the kingfisher flew fast like a piece of blue sky. Question number 25. What kind of figure of speech represents the sound it describes? Options are simile, onomatopoeia, metaphor, or hyperbole. And the correct answer is onomatopoeia. Question number 26. Silverman has never read Browning. This is an example of chiasmus, conceit, zeugma, or metonymy. And the correct answer is metonymy. Question number 27. A figure of speech in which there is an exaggerated statement not to be taken literally is. Options are hyperbole, synecdoche, euphemism, or collage. And the correct answer is hyperbole. Question number 28. What figure of speech has been used in the following line? All the perfumes of Arabia cannot sweeten this little hand. Options are metaphor, hyperbole, oxymoron, or apostrophe. And the correct answer is hyperbole. Question number 29. What figure of speech is in the line, the man is no fool? Options are litotes, tautology, euphemism, or epigram. And the correct answer is litotes. Question number 30. Two roads diverge in a word and I took the less one trouble by. And that has made all the difference. Who wrote these lines? Options are T.S. Eliot, Stephen Spender, Robert Frost, or William Wordsworth. And the correct answer is Robert Frost. Question number 31. In which famous poem does Walt Whitman makes a reference to Suez Canal and wire line across the Atlantic? Options are O Captain, My Captain, Passage to India, Earth, My Likeness, or Prayers of Columbus. And the correct option is Passage to India. Question number 32. The middle name of Robert Frost is? Options are Charles, Lee, John, or Augustus. And the correct answer is Lee, Robert Lee Frost. Question number 33. Who regarded poetry as the criticism of life? Options are Matthew Arnold, Wordsworth, T.S. Eliot, or none of the above. And the correct answer is Matthew Arnold. Question number 34. Which of the following is an example reported speech is grammatically incorrect? Options are the mayor said that it gave him a great pleasure to be there that evening. Option B, he said that he would go as soon as it was possible. Option C, he said that he does not wish to see any of them and ordered them to go away. Option D, my teacher often says to me that if I don't work hard, I shall fail. And the correct option is option number C. He said that he does not wish to see any of them and ordered them to go away. Question number 35. Point out the direct speech of the given sentence. The sentence is the traveler inquired of the farmer if he could tell him the way to the nearest inn. Options are the traveler said to the farmer, please tell me the way. Which way is the nearest inn? Option B, the traveler said to the farmer, tell me where is the way to the nearest inn. Option C, the traveler said to the farmer, can you tell me where is the way to the nearest inn? Or option D, traveler said to the farmer, can you tell me the way to the nearest inn? And the correct answer is option number D. That is, the traveler said to the farmer, can you tell me the way to the nearest inn? Question number 36. Ram said, good morning, sir. We have to change this sentence into indirect speech. Options are Ram wished a good morning to sir. Ram said, sir, good morning. Ram declared it was a good morning, or Ram wished his sir a good morning. And the correct answer is option number D. That is, Ram wished his sir a good morning. Question number 37. What is the correct passive form of the following sentence? I want to buy a book. Options are a book is wanted to be bought by me. A book was wanted to be bought by me. A book is wanted to be bought, or a book is wanted to be bought for me. And the correct answer is option number A. That is, a book is wanted to be bought by me. Question number 38. Which of the following sentence is in active voice? Options are wolves have been seen in the streets. B, the injured player was being carried off the field. C, the old newspapers were thrown away. Or D, I remembered my father taking me to the zoo. And the correct option is option number D. I remember my father taking me to the zoo. Question number 39. The sentence in the passive voice of the following will be: they saw him climbing over the fence. Options are they were seen climbing over the fence. He was seen climbing over the fence. Or the fence was seen being climbed over by him. Or he saw them climbing over the fence. And the correct answer is option number B. He was seen climbing over the fence. Question number 40. Choose from the following option the correct prefix for the word polite to make it negative. Options are un, im, in, or non. And the correct answer is impolite. Question number 41. Which of the following statement is incorrect as a rule of grammar? Options are shall with the subject in the second and third person introduces the idea of compulsion. or will with the subject in the first person expresses bleak sense of determination, or should with the second and third persons means ought to, or would with the subject in the first person gives emphasis. And the incorrect option is option number B, that is, will with the subject in the first person expresses bleak sense of determination. Question number 42. What is target language? Options are the language which is acquired first, the language which is learned after mother tongue, the language pertaining to meaning, or the language into which the text is translated. And the correct answer is the language into which the text is translated. Question number 43. It is dream of every mountaineer to climb the world's highest peak. Okay, we have to find the error. And the correct option is option number B, of every mountaineers. Okay, question number 44. Again, we have to find the error in the given sentence. The immune system is the body's way of protecting itself against viruses. Options are a body is protecting itself against viruses, and the correct option is option number B, that is protecting itself. Question number 45. Most politicians are now interested in feathering their own pockets. Options are interested in feathering their own pockets or no error. And the correct answer is option number B, in feathering. Question number 46. The most important cause of tides is the gravitation attraction of the moon. Options are tides, gravitation, attraction, or moon. And the correct answer is option number B, that is gravitation. Question number 47. Many things have happened since I have left the school, or no error. Options are many things have happened since I have left the school, or no error. And the correct answer is option number C, that is I have left the school. Question number 48. It is possible to multiply this bacteria in the laboratory. Options are it is possible to multiply this bacteria in the laboratory. We have to find the error. And the correct answer is option number C, this bacteria. Question number 49. We have to fill in the blanks with the correct word, and the dash is here. He dash have sent the message immediately rather than delaying its dispatch. Options are can, shall, could, or ought. And the correct answer is could. He could have sent the message immediately after that rather than delaying its dispatch. Question number 50. Again, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. I dash love my parents denotes obligation or duty. Options are ought to, could, might, or will. And the correct answer is option number A, that is I ought to love my parents. So with this, I end my video here. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And please join our Telegram channel for more updates.